Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Task View because that shows existing desktops and makes creation explicit. Click the Task View icon or press Win plus Tab. Once visible, select New Desktop or use Ctrl plus Win plus D to spin up a fresh workspace. You do this to separate tasks and reduce clutter, which improves focus. Make sure to keep important apps running in the original desktop until you move them. Once done, you'll be ready to move apps or switch quickly between the desktops you created. Now focus on switching and organizing. Press Win plus Ctrl plus Left or Win plus Ctrl plus Right to jump between desktops instantly, or open Task View and click a desktop thumbnail for a visual switch. To move an app, open Task View, drag its window to another desktop thumbnail, or right-click the window and choose Move to Desktop Number. You use snap layouts within each desktop to tile windows efficiently. This keeps related work grouped and helps you recall where tasks live, saving time during context shifts. To finish, close any extra desktop from Task View by hovering and hitting the X. Windows moves open apps back to your primary desktop so nothing is lost. Make sure you close only the desktops you no longer need. If shortcuts like Win plus Ctrl plus Left/Right do nothing, check that the Win key isn't disabled or verify keyboard layout and accessibility settings. If Task View is unresponsive, open Task Manager and restart Windows Explorer. That usually restores the desktop switcher without needing a full reboot.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.